Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go to our backpack. And here are all of our cubes. Here are the two we have open. So we have
He-Man and
Cringer.
He-Man and Cringer, yeah.
So now we have 18 cubes to choose from. We're going to open one today. Which one do you want?
I think...
This is all of them. Okay, point to one. Let's see.
This one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure? Going once. Going twice.
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Now are you sure?
This one.
Let's try. Now are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Begin unboxing.
Yeah. I wonder what this is going to be.
Oh.
What's it going to be?
I don't know. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so nervous! I'm so nervous! Oh!
Who's it gonna be?
Oh! Yes, we have a Cringer! And you know what that means? We have two Cringers. Okay, that's very loud. We have two Cringers. That means we can open one and we can keep one sealed in the package forever. Now, here's the thing. Let's go back though.
We're gonna open this.
So here it is. 6. Let's look at our backpack.
And once the games come out, eventually.
Let's see. So there's Cringer. Okay, so they all have the same.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
once the games come out, eventually we'll be able to trade, and we can unbox one, keep it,
Mm-hmm.
and then give that one to somebody.
It would be cool if we had 3 Cringers. One to play with, one to keep sealed, and one to trade.
Yeah, that would be cool.
All right. Well, that's it. We'll see tomorrow who we get, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see everybody tomorrow.